All right, we're ready to go anytime you are. This is Josh Nevers right here. He's going to show us how he gets in and out of his vehicle using electric lift. What's it called again?
Speedy lift.
Speedy lift? Okay. And what do you use there to...
I get a controller for in and out.
Okay, yeah, I better back up. You're going to get me. So you had this since you first had the van, like when you first got injured?
Yeah, when I got my hand controls installed.
Yeah.
I got them to install this lift too.
Oh, awesome. Okay, who's that? Is it
Howell Ventures, Sure Grip.
Sure Grip? How awesome. Yeah. Oh, I think there's a helmet going to come out. Let me grab that helmet. Hold on. There, I got it.
Hit the brakes.
Yeah, that's right. It's pretty slick. You swing that around like that, eh? Nice.
Yep.
Okay. Arm goes back up.
I don't have an automatic door, so I just use this.
Yeah, no, those are handy. It's pretty slick too. Is it just like a towel, a coat rack on the end of a dowel?
Yeah.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Nice. Decent. Never mind showing how to get back in. Now that I got you out.
Want me to load this back?
Yeah. Just show how it works and how slick it is. It's quick, eh? Like,
Yeah.
it's pretty slick. So that attaches on.
Yeah, there's a little.
Oh, okay, so the backrest, eh?
Yeah.
Let me just okay, yeah. Let's see. What's in the backrest? And then underneath too on the axle.
Yeah.
Or the
And they make an adapter.
camber tube. Yeah.
They make an adapter. Speedy Lift makes an adapter for foldable chairs.
For affordable chairs too. It tucks away like that. Where's that little dowel you had? To grab your... See, that's pretty neat. It's a good back scratcher too, eh? Slick, man. Now I'm going to go around the other side too. I want to see your hand controls.
Okay.
If you don't mind, we'll throw that right there for a second. Oh, probably not, eh? That's right. It's by the curb. Maybe I'll just kind of get in like this. So those are you get them on the right side. When I had mine, and I had mine on the left.
Yeah,
here.
in my old Nova, I have them on the left.
Do you?
But the right side, I don't know. I guess because I'm used to driving a standard, so I.
Oh, right.
I like steering with this wheel. Yeah.
So who did these? These are Sure Grips?
These are Sure Grips.
Right there, Sure Grips.
See, I just press this button.
Okay.
And now I got my throttle hooked up to this.
Okay. So you rotate it backwards for the throttle.
Yeah, I just pull towards it for the throttle, and then that's brake.
Brake. So do you have to engage that button? I see a button on that handle there.
No, this is a brake lock. So, if I'm at Tim Hortons or at a light or something, I can push this on, and it locks it on.
Oh, okay.
And then I just go like that to release it.
Nice, yeah.
And then if someone else is driving my vehicle, I just push this.
So it kind of
three
frees
times.
up. Yeah.
And it's back to the OEM pedal.
Oh wow, eh?
Yeah.
So, yeah, when Mike said I had hand controls put in 22 years ago, my old Jeep, and nothing like this. It was just two rods that went down into my brake and into my pedal, and I rotated back to Excel and pushed into brake. That's pretty cool. Neat. Now, if you don't mind me asking, like your injury, what level?
T10.
T-twin paraplegic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this works out pretty good for you, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This makes it a lot easier.
Yeah.
You know, I have a car too, and it's kind of a pain because you got to take everything apart and lift it over yourself.
Yeah, man. Gets your vehicle filthy, gets your clothes filthy, the grease and the axles, and been there.
I like running I run the van mostly just because it's so easy.
Yeah, that's why I changed over to a van too, because I just slide it in and out of the door. That is neat. So who did the? So it was Sure Grip who did the hand controls, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And they installed the lift.
They installed the lift for me.
Yeah, nice. Now, do you know how much that lift would cost?
I think it was like 4,000 or something.
That's not too bad, really. That's not bad at all.
It came to 6, I think, with the hand controls and everything.
Yeah.
So
Geez,
all
that's
installed. So
installed as well.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what it. Because I'm not sure what kind of labor they charged on it.
Yeah.
So it might have been cheaper than that, really. I don't
Right on. So that's, for a lift like that, I think that's pretty good. All right, man. Thanks a lot for showing us that
Yeah, no problem.
your toys. Let's go play some sledge hockey.
Yeah.
5-on-5 today.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
I think contact too.
Oh, okay, you better watch out now.
Right on. I like that. See ya on the ice.